What's up, queens and kings? We back with another banger. No, seriously. What's up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of three. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Go ahead and join the Shmoney team so you can be like us, lit and getting our money together. But today we are here, as you can tell from the title of the video, we're going to be doing a budget with me. So this is February the 23rd. No, well, the 24th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 5th, I don't know. I get paid semi-monthly, so if my payday falls on a weekend, I end up getting paid just that Friday, before or whatever. So I believe the 25th was today, actually. So yeah, I got paid Friday, yesterday. Let's jump right on into it. The budgeted amount, zoom. Hold on, wait a minute. What is we doing? What is we doing? Is it extra bright? Okay, is it extra bright, y'all? Let me bring that brightness down just a little bit, So the budgeted amount, it was slightly more, but I just let the remaining stay in my buffer. We had to pay Apple Music, which was due on the 25th. That was $10, so that left us with $7.90. I don't know why that says 190. It says 190. I put 190 right there. I put 190. That's supposed to be 790. I'll fix that later. 790, right? So then I had to pay Pat's Advocacy that's due on the 25th. That budgeted amount was 50, the actual amount 50, which left us with 740. Then Xfinity phone, I had to pay my phone bill. I did upgrade my phone, so my bill is no longer 130. It is due on the 26th. And it is now I budgeted 190, but the actual was 173. But we just gonna go with the budgeted amount and let the rest roll in the buffer, because I don't do math that well. You know what I'm saying? So we budgeted the 190. That leaves us with 550. We had to pay Kohl's on the 26th also, which was $40. That left us with $510. Then TubeBuddy comes out on the 29th, which is $450, but I rounded up to $5, and that left us with $505. So that left us with $505. Cash envelopes are my variables, what I spend throughout the week or whatever like that. So my cash envelopes, I'm giving myself $40, which is going to leave us with $465. Then Kenzie, she did some bonuses this week. She was really independent on some things that we've been working on. So she, on top of her $10, she got a $7 bonus, but I just rounded it up. So I'm giving her $20. That leaves us with $445. Then Trent, he's getting, since Mackenzie got a bonus, I gave him a little something too. You know what I'm saying? So instead of his normal 10, he's getting 15, which leaves us with $430. Gasolina, the 120 or 125, whatever I was doing, it wasn't kicking it. So we're gonna do 150 full gasolina. That leaves us with 280. Eat out, I'm going to put $10 just in case I want to get some coffee or something. That leaves us with $270. Then Mikasa, I need to zoom this in some because I can't hardly see. Mikasa, I'm adding $25 for Mikasa for like my household products and stuff like that. And that's going to leave me with $245. Then self-care, we're also going to add $25. That's going to leave us with $220. Then miscellaneous is going to get $15. That leaves us with $205. And then love is going to get $5. So we have $200 remaining. So the $200 remaining dollars is going to actually go to my sinking funds. and that's going to be Christmas. So we have 200 left. Christmas is going to get 50. That's going to leave us with 150. Car fund is going to get, I don't know why I sound so congested, y'all. I'm sorry. Car fund is going to get $50. That leaves us with 100. And then birthdays is going to get $100. And then that brings us down to zero, which is a zero-based budget. And that's what we want. Every dollar has a place with every paycheck. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a great big thumbs up, and also leave me a purple heart emoji in the comments if you made it to the end of the video. And baby, if you haven't subscribed already, what is you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the shmoney team so you can be lit like us and getting your shmoney together. Baby, I love you guys. Bye.